Finally one with a keypad. Oh my God. Now I know a lot of these nice sounding keyboards they're always the tiny 60%. This one is coming with that keypad for y'all, and it does sound extremely nice. Plus it comes with the kickstands. Plus it does come with RGB, but if you don't like that, you can always just click it off with this button right here. And this is exactly how the keyboard comes, how it sounds. Now you can go ahead and get custom keycaps. These are swappable. They're very easy to do. You just gotta peel the caps off, and you can get this keyboard for like $50 or less using the link right down here while they're still in stock.